I'm not going to smash this, but here I am officiating at another farewell to a writing typing device. And so we have all this black material, and I thought it would be snowing, and I thought that it would just look marvelous to have a funeral. I'm going to put my gloves on here. To have a funeral for the typewriter with this black in the snow, but it's not snowing. So here we go. This is very simple. It's a funeral for a typewriter. Or a funeral, or like the curtain call, or like the last curtain, you know. The effect I want is I want it to slowly fall in front of the typewriter, you know, the final curtain.